Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mechanics toolsets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Crescent CTK170CMP2. This 170-piece tool set from Crescent was built to last and built to use frequently. In addition to a standard set of 3 ratchets and a full set of sockets, albeit one more limited in size range than other tool sets, this kit brings with it a set of 5 screwdrivers, 2 pairs of pliers, and an extraordinarily handy adjustable wrench. The wrench in particular makes up for the lack of combination wrench sizes that most toolkits suffer from. All sockets and wrenches come in both SAE and metric sizes, and the magnetic bit driver comes with a huge variety of bits. The steel construction of the tools meets new ANSI and ASME standards and is heavy-duty. Users note that these tools simply feel durable. The screwdrivers and pliers have non-slip handles to make them more comfortable. The only downside to this toolset is the trifold case, which makes it more difficult to access tools and which uses plastic rather than more durable metal latches. Crescent backs up all the tools in the kit with a lifetime warranty to provide protection for your tools. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt DWMT81534. This 205-piece toolkit is made by DeWalt, so you can rest assured of its high-quality construction. The anti-slip handle on the screwdriver and the molded handles on the ratchets add comfort when using your tools, which can make a big difference if you plan to use them frequently. In addition, the case is extremely durable thanks to the sturdy metal latches, as opposed to the plastic latches found on other cases. The tools themselves are heavy-duty and the set comes with 62 sockets in both metric and SAE sizes. The ratchets also come with extension bars and have a quick release feature, making them easier to use. Plus, although the sockets are not rated for impact, users noted that they would stand up to a low-power impact driver. The combination wrenches are longer than usual to provide extra torque on bolts, and the screwdriver comes with a huge variety of bits to suit nearly any purpose. Best of all, the tool set is backed up by DeWalt's free lifetime replacement warranty. At number 3, we have the Stanley STMT81031. This tool set from Stanley is a steal for the price at first glance. The kit contains 170 pieces, so it has a narrower range of sizes, especially for socket, than kits with more pieces. However, it still boasts both SAE and metric sizes and 3 sizes of quick-release ratchets, plus 4 screwdrivers rather than 1, although only one works with the bit adapter, 2 pairs of pliers, and a tape measure. The combination wrench set is also comparable to that found in other, more expensive tool sets. Although the trifold case is a slightly annoying design, since it takes longer to access all the tools, most users did not find this to be a major issue. The tools are constructed from chrome vanadium, which makes the low price even more impressive. Users noted the tools won't stand up to a construction site. In particular, the screwdriver tips will flake after extended use, but that they are plenty durable for typical household repair projects. Stanley also offers a full lifetime warranty on the tool set in case of issues. At number 2, we have the Channellock 39053. This tool set from Channellock raises eyebrows, since it is made in Taiwan rather than the US. But customers are quickly convinced by the excellent quality of the tools at a reasonable price. The tools are made of chrome vanadium for durability and resistance to wear on the sockets. The tool set comes fully loaded with both SAE and metric sizes of all ratchets and combination wrenches, as well as includes both standard and deep sockets, so you can get at almost any bolt. However, the wrenches are somewhat limited in size and range, only from 5/16 to 5/8, and from sizes 8 to 15. The driver comes with a wide assortment of bits and is magnetic, so they're easy to lock onto the driver. Users also appreciated that the tools stay in place in the case. although some noted that the case itself could break in half if it was dropped. The set comes with a limited lifetime warranty on the tools so that you can be certain you're getting a quality product. And finally at number 1, we have the Craftsman 50230. This tool set from Craftsman comes with a whopping 230 pieces at a price that won't break the bank, thanks in large part to the cost-saving steel alloy construction. Although this material can be somewhat brittle, Craftsman offers a lifetime warranty on the tools in the kit. Note that the extra pieces mostly go towards providing a wider variety of socket sizes. The tool set contains only a few combination wrenches, so you are likely to need to buy individual wrenches as you need them. The sockets and Allen keys come in both SAE and metric sizes, and the magnetic screwdriver comes with plenty of bits to allow you to fit nearly any screw. Although the case is durable, users noted that it is packed to the brim and the tools are not as secure in the molding as they could be. If you happen to drop the case, it can take quite a while to fit all the pieces back where they belong, and the case will not close otherwise. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.